Hi traders! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to restart your Forex VPS directly from the client area in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, log into your client area account using your registered email and password. You can also log in using your Google or Twitter account if it's already connected. Once you're logged in, on the main dashboard, click the Services button to view your VPS list. From there, choose the VPS you want to restart and click on it to view the details. Scroll down the page and look for the Actions section. Click the Stop button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Confirm to proceed. Wait for the VPS status to change to Stopped. Once it's fully stopped, press the Start button to power the VPS back on. If successful, the VPS status will update to Running. Now, give it around 3 to 5 minutes to fully boot up. After that, try accessing your VPS again. It should be ready to go. And that's it. Super easy, right? Good luck and happy trading. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need this info. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.